Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, distinguished professor, respected colleagues, and fellow participants. My name is Abdul Halim. I'm from UNISA. It is a great honor for me to be here and to have the opportunity to present my research at this CAIB International Seminar. Today, I will deliver a presentation entitled The Role of the Kabalan Tribe in Batanghari Society, a historical and cultural study. This research aimed to explore the historical origins, cultural contribution, and socio-political roles of the Kabalan tribe in the shaping the identity and dynamic of Batanghari society. In this presentation, I will first explain the historical background of the Kabalan tribe and their genealogical relation with the Jambi Kingdom. Then I will highlight their contribution in cultural, social, uh, and economic aspect, as well as the dynamic of their interaction with other ethnic groups, particularly during the colonial era. I sincerely hope that that discussion will enrich our collective understanding of the importance of local communities in maintaining historical continuity and cultural resilience. I also look forward to receiving valuable feedback and engaging in constructive dialogue with all of you. Okay. History is understood as a construction of knowledge that not only present the fact of the past but also interprets their meaning. History serves as a reflective medium to understand the origins, development, and identity of a community. In the context of Jambi, the Kabalan tribe play an important role in shaping social, economic, and cultural structure, although this role is often overlooked in official historical writing. This research seeks to fill the void in local historiography by highlighting the dynamic of the Kabalan community in the Kingdom of Jambi. The Kingdom of Jambi has a strategic position in Malacca Street Trade Road, making it a node of global economic interaction since the Middle Age. This condition creates a diverse inter-ethnic meeting space where the Kabalan tribe emerge as a significant actor. In addition to play a role in the economic sector, Kabalan also play a role in enriching cultural treasure through traditional practices, religious rite, and social interaction. This research of the community allows for the birth of a new understanding of inclusive social dynamic, not just from the perspective of royal political elite. The study depart from the problem of tracing the genealogical origins of the Kabalan tribe, examining their social, economic, and cultural contribution to the life of the Jambi Kingdom, and analyzing the dynamic of their interaction with other ethnic groups, including the during colonial period. And the objective are to construct a more comprehensive historical reconstruction of the Kabalan tribe to explore their significant role in the development of Jambi Kingdom and to enrich the historiography of Indonesian archipelago by positioning local communities as active historical subjects. This research used a qualitative approach with historical and cultural ethnography methods. Historical methods include heuristic collection of primary and secondary source, criticism of source, external and internal, interpretation, and historiography. Primary source include local manuscripts such as Sejarah Rajo Jambi, colonial archive, royal records, and oral tradition. cultural ethnography methods are used to understand the daily life practices, custom, and social interaction patterns of the Kabalan tribe. Participatory observation technique and interviews with indigenous leaders and local historians strengthen the validity of the research data. The origin of the Kabalan tribe. The manuscript Sejarah Raja Jambi records that the Kabalan come from the descendants of Orang Kayu Hitam. The Orang Kayu Hitam, one of the central figures who upheld Islam and the political structure of Jambi. This genealogical relationship places Kabalan in the category of suku nan 12 bangsa and aristocratic group that support the kingdom. Etymologically, the name Kabalan is thought come from a local term that refer to a community that lives in swamps and river banks. This ecological connection shows that close relationship between ethnic identity and the geographical environment, where the Batanghari River is the center of economic and social life. Role in the Kingdom of Jambi. The Kabalan tribe contribute to agriculture, fisheries, and trade activities, which supported the kingdom's food need as well as cross-regional trade. They are not only producer of raw materials, but also part of regional economic distribution chain. The role of earls show that they are an important element in maintaining the economic and political stability of the kingdom. Thus, this community occupies a strategic position in the royal social system, far from being portrayed as a French rule. Social and cultural relations. Kabalan interaction with ethnic Malays, Kerinci, and coastal communities form a complex social network through intertribal marriage, trade, and government. There was a process of cultural acculturation that enriched the identity of Kabalan. The influence of Islam and Malay culture is evident in their custom, religious rite, and traditional art. Nevertheless, the Kabalan still retain local wisdom, such as kinship structure and customary practices that distinguish them from other ethnic groups. Colonial dynamic challenges. The arrival Dutch colonialism brought significant change in the social and economic structure. Traditional livelihoods based on agriculture and rivers were replaced by the colonial economic system. The structure of customary government was also weakened due to colonial bureaucratic intervention. However, the Kabalan tribe survived by developing cultural resilience, which allowed them to maintain their identity despite political and economic pressure. Historical studies show that the Kabalan tribe is not just a suburban community, but an important actor in the dynamic of the Jambi Kingdom. With its involvement in the economy, social, and culture, Kabalan proves that local communities have a significant contribution to the formation of history. Inclusive historiography need to place communities like Kabalan as active subject, not just object record in narrative and political elites. Conclusion. The Kabalan tribe is an integral part of the social, economic, and cultural structure of the Kingdom of Jambi. They have a strong genealogical root, active involvement in economic life, as well as complex social relation with other ethnicities. In the cultural aspect, Kabalan show the ability to adapt to external influence without losing local identity. Their existence enrich the cultural mosaic of Jambi and show the importance of local history as part of the nation heritage. As I come to the conclusion of my presentation, I would like to emphasize that the Kabalan tribe hold a significant place in the historical and cultural fabric of Batanghari society. Their genealogical connection, socio-economic contribution, and cultural practices demonstrate how local communities play a vital role in sustaining identity, resilience, and continuity amidst broader historical change. This study not only reconstruct the historical trajectory of the Kabalan people, but also shed light on the importance of preserving cultural heritage in facing the challenge of modernization and globalization. By understanding their role in the past, we can better appreciate the values that continue to shape the present and inspire the future. I sincerely hope that the insight I have shared today will contribute to our collective knowledge and spark further academic discussion on local history, culture, and identity. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.